Hey guys, it's morning time and I'm driving up to Fernwood, Mississippi and it's drizzling. Well, I was trying to beat the solar panels today and I see that I got them today, which should lay this flat, I guess. Oop. It's weird. Make sure we do this right. Well, maybe it was the other side at once. So that might have been a mistake, but I can see that it's padded here and it's padded here. So that's cool, but let's do a check by myself now. Yep, so the panels came and they look great. I'm very excited to put them on top of the van, but first, we're gonna have to put the rack up there. So apparently I made it up here to the actual house, the haunted mansion, up here in Fernwood, Mississippi. And it's so funny being out here on the porch, the front porch. I see so many wasps setting up nests. Because right there is the wasp. He's looking at things to look at. And that's the nest right there that he's setting up. Here is some of the other stuff I got. On the bottom here, that is the rich solar panel, which is really good. It's $10 cheaper than the Renogy solar charger. I'll show you in a little while. Here are the brackets for the panels, and then cables to go down to the controller. And then these are the parallel splitzer. And the funny thing is, I don't think I need these. These were 1.5 feet extenders and stuff like that. But when I looked under the panels, I saw that there was wires underneath that, which was weird because some panels don't come with those wires. This is the Rich Solar Charger, the solar charger. And as you can see, it's the same thing as Renogy's charger. And it has the ports under here, which are a little bigger than Renogy's charger and stuff like that. But it does the same thing. And also it came with a Bluetooth thing for it too, which is good. This cost me at least $10 less than Renogy. Okay, up here at the Fernwood house right now, and I'm chatting online right here with Amazon. And the stuff that they're telling me is ridiculous. Because one of the things I did not get in all those packages were the glands that are supposed to go up on the roof of my van. So now they're telling me that they'll contact me in 2 or 3 days. And I'm like, no, I need it settled right now there. And I'm trying to cancel stuff. And Amazon sucks for this stuff from a third party and stuff like that. So let's see what happens next. Me and Amazon have been chatting, and apparently they said the way I requested a refund was the wrong way because they want a product sent back. And I'm like, I can't send back a product that isn't here. So then they're like, oh, it's gonna take 2 to 3 days to get back to you. And I was like, so I wrote them a lot of stuff on here saying bad stuff. They're still going on with this crap here. Like, I'll relay all the information to the supervisor. So I discovered this, and I don't know if it's heat or there's a short somewhere, but I have my battery set up like this. Now that's the wall of my batteries right there. You can see the fuse panel, a second bus there, that's for the negative grounds. My inverter's not hooked up right now with the DC to DC charger, and the shunt right there, and then negative stuff there, and then over on the right is the positive stuff. But there's a problem right now. So apparently when I put on my fantastic fan, it started up and then it stopped. And I know the batteries are not on right now. Now when this happened once, I disconnected the shunt and hooked up the shunt again. And it started working again, like the LED lights and stuff like that, but I'm not sure if the fan is working properly or there's a short somewhere. Or it could be the heat shutting off the BMS where it needs a reset every time or something like that. I'm trying to diagnose the problems, but I don't know exactly what could be happening right now. So I disconnected the shunt right there from the minus to the battery. And then I don't know if you can see it right there, but the Bluetooth thing is working. And over here on this fuse panel, you can see there's one light where the fuse goes to the fan. So it goes to the fan, but I don't know what's going on because you can see the LED lights went on again. So I don't know what the problem is. Maybe there's a short with the fan. I don't know if it's the heat that's shutting off the BMS or the shunt. So I found the culprit. The problem was, I think the LED lights and the fan are having a short problem between them. I gotta figure out how to isolate them a little more, but I disconnected my LED lights and the fans is working fine. It's on right now. And I checked the shunt. The shunt's working fine. So there's gotta be a small short somewhere. Gotta figure out where. I don't know yet because this is so simple. Putting the lights in, finding the polarity. The lights obviously work and they're diodes, so they only go one way. But then the fan only goes one way too. Well, 2 ways, depending how you hook it up. But either way, can't figure out the problem in my head right now, but we'll break it down tomorrow.